Hello. I don't really know what to say in this video, but hello. I missed you, and I'm just laying on my floor right now. So, yeah. It's really messy in here. I don't know if you've seen my room before, but, there's my messy bed that's not made. There's my hospital stuff. Messy closet. Dirty clothes. Hold on. Then there's my desk, my computer, and bamboo plants. And here's like, I don't know. No! Makeup drawer and stuff. And then just random stuff. More makeup stuff. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I don't know how long I'm allowed to record videos for because my memory card isn't too big. So, I guess I'll just make another one. It'll be longer, maybe. I think I only get 3 minutes on this, but anyways, I'm talking to you on Skype right now. So I don't know why I'm making you a video, but okay. This is gonna take forever to load, but I'll talk to you later.